Hey everyone, we already understood that noun is of two types, which is singular and plural, and the term singular is when you break down singular, it will be single, and for plural, it will be plus. And plural is of two types, which is regular plural and irregular plural. So in this video, we're going to learn a trick for converting a singular word into a plural word. I've already told you about regular plurals, which is we just have to add s to it. But for irregular plurals, the exceptions are there. For the words which are ending with f, in most cases, we have to just add ve to it. So leave will become leaves, calf will become calves, and loaf will become loaves. That's the easiest way, and in most cases, not in every cases, but in most cases, we just have to add ve to it, word ending with f.